Hey, work from home, mailing flyers and postcards. Work from home, mailing flyers and postcards. Hey, Rick Reed here. I want you to click on that subscribe button, okay? And click on the notification bell and leave a message, whether you like the video or not. Please leave a message. It's gonna help with the algorithm, okay? This message for those of you who wish to join the Cash Cow program, go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. I have over 40 flyers and postcards that's there available. Okay, now I'm going to get into the purpose of this particular video. Now, what you're looking at now is the sales letter for the Cash Cow program. The sales letter for the Cash Cow program. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you about the contest from now, which is November the 29th, 2023, 19th. Okay, Sunday, November the 19th, 2023, till the end of December 2023. Okay, those of you, okay, these are new people that's coming aboard, and those of you that are in the program in good standing, okay, you're gonna get $500, okay, cash, all $100 bills, 500 of my new full data leads, the new full data leads. These are names, cell phone number, and addresses of people that are currently in network marketing or multi-level marketing. These are the newer leads that I got maybe a week or so ago. All right, and 500 stamps. People, this is what's gonna help put you on the map. What I'm gonna show you is the newest flyers that we have, and I'm gonna show you the new envelope that I designed, and of course you're looking at now the new sales letter, which is banging it. Okay, I've tested this for over a month now, and you've been seeing me open up mail. Now, those of you that are planning on coming aboard, you do not have to be on YouTube to make money. Okay, you do not have to be on YouTube to make money. There's a lot of new resources that I have now that's still going to help you. All right, but I'm not going to reveal all that on this particular video. All right, remember, you must have the confidence in God having confidence in you. Okay, when you decide to get involved with anyone's program, you really need to look and see what is in it for you. What are you going to be blessed with other than a flyer? Okay, so what we have to offer is all in this sales letter, and it's opening the door for a lot of people, and it's a big changer. It's a big game changer. All right, let's get it. Now, this one is particularly yellow. I was thinking about doing it in green. All right, but you get to kind of see, what it looks like. See here where it's talking about the grocery coupons and talking about the trips, okay, and the fast food restaurants and things. No one else is offering these things. No one else is offering things. And look at the color of this. All right, I'll probably need to do another video without my face on there where you can see the guy with the money and everything. But this is the sales letter. Are you still struggling to make money? That's one of the things that's gonna paint a picture on the canvas of the imagination of the people that read this letter. All right, now, this is the newest flyer in the arsenal that we have, the unlimited crazy cash cow. People, what you'll be receiving is $200 cash, $400 cash, or $600 cash. Those are the three levels that they have. All right, what they're gonna send you is cash and stamps. So you'll get 200 cash, 400 cash, 600 cash, and 5 books of stamps. 5 books of stamps is 100 stamps. When you send this flyer out, this is what the person is going to send you when they get started. Now, what I'm going to be sending to them on your behalf is 200 leads, 400 leads, or 600 leads, all right? Or 200 stamps, 400 stamps, or 600 stamps, okay? Now I'm gonna go here. Anyone looking and you have any questions, give me a call, 346-704-1754. That's 346-704-1754. Okay, this is the Unlimited Crazy Cash flyer. This is really self-explanatory, explaining everything to them. All right, 5 people getting started at just the 200 level, that's $1,000. Okay, imagine 10 people getting started with you at the 400 level. All right, that's $4,000. Look, 15 people getting started with you at the 600 level, that's $9,000. Also, remember, there's 5 books of stamps attached to that, right? And right here, I have everything in plain, explained clearly at the 200 level, the 400 level, and the 600 level, all right? Now, there's a $100 admin fee attached to this. This is for updates for your flyer, okay? Any changes that you make or what you do, all right, is a company. Now, you're only gonna get 2 to 3 changes, you know, on this. People move, we'll get 2 to 3 changes. After that, we'll discuss that, all right? So this is the Unlimited Crazy Cash Cow flyer. All right, next we have, this is the Mega Monster. The Mega Monster, 1,000 people. They have the potential to earn $1,000 daily, and all they have to do is continue to mail this flyer or this postcard. Your stamp is gonna go here, okay? They're gonna put the name, that hot lead is gonna go here, and this is sticking out and ready. The other thing is here, you get, it's 3 levels attached to this. Once you reach level 3, you get a residual income of $1,000 built into this postcard or the flyer, all right? And again, we're going into details, what to do, plain and simple, explaining what needs to be done. Right here is with my name, because this is my particular flyer. On your flyer, your name will be here, but there will be a box down here with an admin fee of like maybe $125, $150, something like that on your flyer, okay? Look, I'd rather have 10 people that I'm making $100 from, see, and leaving you with to make all the money. So right here, what I'm showing you is my particular flyer that I'm sending out. Yours will be different. Your name will be by here. My name will be here in the admin, okay, for you to make the money. But what happens is, imagine this. This is you. When someone gets started, you move to box number 2. You automatically is getting a residual income of $1,000 and 5 books of stamps, because when that person sends this out, they have to send 1,000 here and 1,000 here to you. Okay, and I have about 4 people that's done this so far. All right, so this is the Mega Monster flyer, people. Now, to help you, this is the hot new envelope. This is your envelope. It's a number 10 envelope. All right, and look what it's saying. Are you still struggling to make money? Earn $1,000 to $3,000 weekly. No selling, no hustling, no gimmicks, no boss, no tricks, no follow-up. And right here, guess what goes here? Your hot, full data lead go right here, people. And guess what? If no one's there, what it says, for current resident. You get the mailbox and the money right here, which is sending a subliminal message of how they can make money. Look, I hope you have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. get started. Let's get some mailbox money in your pocket. You have the hot sales letter, okay? You have the unlimited cash cow, okay? You have the Mega Monster 1000, okay? And you have me, okay? So have a great day, evening, night, wherever time it is where you are. Remember the contest. The person that have the most sales over three gets $500 cash, all $100 bill, 500 stamps, okay, and 500 leads, the full data leads. Go to www.cashcowprogram.com. You can see all the flyers that I have there. I hope you get started. Looking forward to you having a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is. God bless you. Have a great day.